Hello and welcome to Theme Park Information. In today's show, we're doing a review for Railblazer, located at California's Great America. This is actually the first RMC roller coaster I've ever been on. It's an RMC Raptor, and oh dear God, is this thing fun! It has to be said, me and my friends managed to get to this ride first thing nice and early in the day, so we managed to get 3 or 4 rides on it before it got too busy. Even then, it actually didn't have much of a queue all day, and the operations and throughput were actually reasonable. I mean, I'd hate to think of how this would do at a really busy park, but it worked nicely where it was. What I come away with most from this ride is, dear God, how intense is that? It is so forceful. It's got plenty of really whippy transitions and stuff like that. It really, throws you about and stuff like that. Thankfully you are, very comfortably kept in your seat by the restraint system and stuff like that. You don't get any head banging or anything like that at all. I would say they're perhaps a little bit tight, but at the same time I kind of appreciate why they're not loose. I'd hate to think how much you'd fly back if they were loose. You'd probably end up sideways on. So yeah, thank God they are, very well designed. The drop is absolutely spectacular. Really, really good fun, especially if you're on the back row. Obviously, having one across seating is weird. Obviously, it's a very interesting concept for a roller coaster, but it does work really well for this ride. I would say the train could be a little bit long, considering obviously you have 8 riders at a time. A part of me thinks it would be better if maybe the train was slightly shorter. I think it would go through the layout really, really quickly and really have a little bit more intensity to it, but it's a slight adjustment they could make. I mean, obviously you'd then have it where the throughput would fall through the roof, but yeah, it's fine. Anyway, let's go on to the inversions. All of them are excellent fun. This ride has some airtime, not as much as I thought it would do. I also think obviously this ride is really short. I do appreciate it's kind of a prototype and the first of its kind and stuff like that. Obviously there is a kind of clone of this ride already at Fiesta, Texas. But I will say it is short. Obviously, there's a lot more you can do with this ride. You could probably make an insanely good version of it. The only problem is obviously you'd only ever be able to fit 8 people on at a time, so the throughput would really suffer if it was really long. So I see the kind of swings and roundabouts with it. I can't really think of anything particularly negative other than obviously the throughput and the fact that it's not that long. Other than that, the ride's pretty spectacular. It's forceful, it's smooth, it's intense. It has good versions. The drop's excellent. It's actually pretty damn well themed. It looks very pretty. Has a great color scheme. Rides really well. I can't really fault it that much. It's just a really, really excellent ride. Very, very similar to Let Coaster. Really, really good ride. But I will be honest, kind of wish it was a little bit longer. But yeah, anyway, probably a maybe a 9, maybe a 9.5, around that sort of ballpark. Definitely really, really good, really enjoyable, excellent stuff. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.